Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to Thornapple Creek Farms. What are we doing today? Well, my neighbor called me to help haul him some cattle, and he's the Amish guy there. He's got that dairy. He is moving just a couple miles down the road. I'm gonna haul cattle for him. Problem is, my stock trailer's like everything I got, you know, not the best shape. Last time I hauled cattle for him, we were worried about them putting their hooves through there. The framework is solid, but it's just starting to rust away that sheet metal, and they could put a hoof right through there. The rest of this is good and solid. No real issues there. So what I'm gonna do, I really never like them moving that far up into the front anyways. So I'm gonna weld up two of these cross members right here. That'll stop them from being able to get through any further than up here to this door. And we're gonna get loading some cattle. So come on along, we'll see what we get into. Now the last little bit here, I'm just gonna run a couple of these self-tappers through a piece of 3/4 inch. Maybe. Not that one. Alright. So I'm a real cheap ass, as probably some of y'all have figured out. I saved my self-tappers, but that kind of bites me in the ass sometimes. Sometimes I get out here for my projects and the tips are gone or they're broken, and that's no pain in the butt. But you know what's more of a pain in the butt? Spending money. Not too bad without a backup camera. Sure would like one of those though. Let's go get some Amish cattle. All right, well, we're on the road. It's a pretty long drive. One whole house. We're gonna go get some cattle moved. I think I should boycott this move. I really don't want to see them leave. Let's see if I can figure out how to sabotage this while I'm there. Here we go, first load's on. I got a gate in the middle there. We're gonna do 3 up in the front, 2 in the back, and haul 5 at a time. Here we go. All right, 5 on here now. So I'm meeting his son down here. So he's got 2 trailers going right now. A gentleman pulled in just behind me. He's gonna be loading. He's getting 6 on there. I'm loading 5 at a time, and his boys are at the new house. So he's loading, we're unloading with them, and it never goes perfect, you know. They're always stubborn. Especially these cattle. They may have never been on a trailer ever. They're born at this farm and they're finally getting moved, maybe. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. Load number 1. Here we are. This is their new house, just right down the road. Basically what happened is, so Jacob's wife, parents lived here. Now that they're a bit older, they built them a house right next door. So the oldest, the parents are going to move into the house next door. Jacob and his wife are going to move over here to take care of them, plus take over this farm. And then Jacob's oldest son, Ben, is going to take over Jacob's farm. So basically everybody's just kind of transitioning. The parents are moving into the small house, and Jacob and his wife will be taking over the big family farm, and then Ben will get his opportunity, now that he's of age, to run his own farm. That's the girls. Getting 3 up in the front, 2 in the back. The unload goes a lot easier than the loading, like always. Now here's the other guy that's doing the hauling along with me. He's a load ahead of me. Plus he's running 6 at a time. So he's on his 4th load of 6, so 6, 12, 18, he's at 24 so far. I've got 3 loads of 5, so I'm 15, so we're at 39 so far. No, 30, 24, 15, yeah, 39. 39 so far. We got 68 and a few calves to move, so a little more than halfway through. Okay. Morning, guys. Oh. Yeah, jerseys, I tell you. They're like the cutest cow out there, I think.
Yeah, they are.
I mean,
Curious ones, too.
Yeah. Them big brown eyes, and yeah. All right. Just like that. 68 head of cattle hauled and 5 calves. All done. No issues, nothing broke, no cows got hurt, no persons got hurt, so success. I think we're gonna haul some horses here maybe in a few days. That'll be kind of fun. I don't know nothing about horses. And that's that. So thanks for coming along, guys. Appreciate the support, and as always, have a great day. Oh yeah. Best part about hauling any livestock. It's like, I swear they all hold it in. And they're like, okay, we're going to be getting on a trailer today, guys, so here's the deal. Nobody takes a shit for a week. As soon as you get on that trailer, let her fly, boys, let her fly. Well, that's my theory, at least. Because I think it's enough poop for at least a week. They heard someone talking, they made their plans, they executed them appropriately. Well done, cows. Well done. And this is after I shoveled it all out. Don't think this is all there was. There was 4 inches of shit in here. I shoveled it all out.